Today's topic is who is Binod. I saw many people who are trying to make some humorous content on this topic, but I decided why won't we learn something from this trend? What if I chemically analyze Binod? Let's get into chemistry. If you subtly notice in Binod, then you will realize some things. In Binod, Bi stands for bismuth. N is for nitrogen. O is simply oxygen. And D goes for deuterium or heavy hydrogen. It won't be wrong if we see Binod as the structure shown here. But the problem is it won't fill the octet like this. So we searched even more. After some logical conclusions, I figured out that it is an ion. You can see the structure here. So it has to be associated with a cation. Because of that, a search of cations took place. After a long quest, we found someone. That person said, "Hello, I know what you are looking for. I'm on." What? My real name is Nitrosonium. I know what you want. By getting directions from that person, we went to an ion named OP+. So, Binod OP. It's a special kind of ionic compound. It is probably a salt consisting of Binod minus and OP plus ions. Please notice and put some focus on the structures here. There are two possible structures for Binod minus ion. You can see them here. As bismuth oxygen and bismuth nitrogen bonds are ionic, so this will be the actual structure. That's chemistry for today. Hence, the problem is solved and new chemistry videos will be coming soon. Next topic will be from inorganic chemistry.